Today we are discussing Salman Rushdie's short fiction, The Free Radio. Now, this particular story is based on the emergency period and then the problems that people faced during the emergency period at the time when Indira Gandhi was the prime minister. So at that time, the major issues whatever happened, many of the people's rights were being curbed, and then even there was this idea of sterilization, etc. All those matters happened during that time. And now in this particular chapter we get to know the narrator is narrating the story of a rickshawala whose name is Ramani, and then how he falls in love with a widow, a thief's widow, who was much elder to him. And then how this woman was like actually a prostitute, and then how Ramani fall in love with this woman who already have got 5 kids alive and 2 kids dead. So that means she has mothered 7 children. And this boy, this Ramani, fall in love with this woman. And then this particular narrator is referred to as Teacher Sahib by Ramani. Teacher Sahib does his best to tell him, but he didn't listen. So he stopped bothering about that because he had got many other better things to do in the society. Then one day what happens is that this Ramani has got connection with some armbanded some guys with armbands, and then they flatter him as though telling that he is very handsome and he can get into the movies, he can become like Shashi Kapoor or Amitabh Bachchan. Shashi Kapoor and Amitabh Bachchan will be only like lepers before him, he's that handsome. And then what makes the narrator angry is that even this widow woman, she's much elder to him, she could bring some sense to him. Now he is going around thinking with the imagining about films, movies, acting in movies and all. At least she could pour out some sense into him, but she's not doing that. Instead she tells that you are very handsome like Lord Krishna himself and all. Now something unusual was happening during that time, because there was a white caravan that used to come to the banyan tree where this narrator usually used to sit sometime there. And now a caravan comes there, and then boys are entering this caravan and something is happening to these boys. We don't know what it is, whether it is intoxicating or whether it is some sexually harassment or not, we don't know. But towards the end of the chapter we understand that it is intoxication, some drug issues and alcoholic either and all, it is being said. So it is like that. So this Ramani gets news. Ramani tells everyone that he's going to get a free radio transistor from the central government, and he's very happy about it. And the Teacher Sahib, the narrator, is very much sad that he's going into this. It is all false, but because this free radio and all was there years back, it is gone from years. But this boy, he's so much passionate, he's so much excited that he rides the rickshaw by cupping his eyes like this as though keeping the radio, and he used to keep like this in his eyes and in his ears, and then he used to ride the rickshaw pretending and imitating All India Radio. That is how he used to be. Then one day, he was like the day he was about to get the radio transmitter, when he entered the caravan, the Teacher Sahib didn't have the courage to see what is happening to them, but inside some arguments happened and he was being hit and blood came. Even after the blood came also, this widow woman is sitting in the rickshaw itself, she's not even coming out. So finally, when what he did is that he sold his rickshaw and he went to Bombay along with this widow woman and her 5 children. And after some time, this Teacher Sahib got a letter, and for sure it is not written by him because he don't know writing, he must have paid money. And then in that writing it is said that, in that letter it is said that he is selected for films, and then they are now grooming him to become a stardom, and he used to stay in hotels along with the lady artist. So he's giving a very luxurious life, he's even buying a house, and the widow woman is fat, became fat now, etc. All this news. So when he reads these letters, it comes to his mind that he thinks about the excitement this boy had when he was like waiting for that radio. So probably this is like he is entering into another cheating. He's going to face another cheating. Or it can be that like he became a stardom, then he remembers how innocent he was when he was cupping his ears and then pretending to be the radio, and all that image came to the narrator's mind, and that is how the story ends. Thank you.